Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to learn three basic Dunder method or magic method which are very much important to instantiation and deletion and initialization, right? Three things. So initialization means we have to add certain kind of value while creating an object, right? And instantiation means this thing will be happen while you are creating a object. That means before creation of object, okay, during, or you can call during the creation of object, okay. And initialization means once your object is created, then suppose you want to initialize certain thing, then you can do that thing, right? And the third thing is destruction. If you want to delete your object or delete something, then you go for delete. So for these three things, actually Python use three different methods. One is your new method, the second one is your init method, and the third one is your delete method, right? Okay, so let me comment out all these things. So what are the three methods I am going to talk here? Init, right? This is for initialization. New means this is for your instantiation, and delete, this is for your destruction of any object. So new is used to initial instantiation of any object, init is used to initialize any object, and delete is used to delete any object, right? So these three things. So first let's talk about new. Okay, so you already have learned this new thing in your previous during meta class creation. So I'm just copying those code here so that I will make you little bit better understanding. Okay, here this is the thing. Okay, so here what I did, I am just using this new method to override the instantiation of the default type kind of thing, right? Because if you are creating any object or if you are creating a class, by default the instantiation follow the new method of type, right? But here I am just reconstructing those things and adding one attribute to it. First I am calling, so obviously you need to call, it is mandatory to call the new method from the type class. Apart from that I am adding one extra attribute to it, 101. So this way new is help you to create a new class of your choice, right? So if you are going to create, suppose I am going to create a class of it, right? Suppose okay, class, my class, okay, then meta, suppose my meta, then pass. Okay, now suppose I am going to create an object of it. Object is equal to my class, right? And if you want to get the attribute attr, we can easily get that. Object dot attr, if you execute it, you can see I am able to execute, right? We are getting 101. So this is new method to instantiate this will help to customize your instantiation, right? Similarly init, the next thing I am going to talk about, init. So let me create a class, suppose this is again same my class, okay, and here I am defining a init method, right? Self, let it, while initializing it requires some kind of value. Okay, let me do it by simple this way, right? Then suppose x, okay, I am creating a class variable self.x, I am assigning it 5, okay, this much, right? Then let me create an object of it. Object is equal to my class, right? And while you are going to assess this value, suppose I am going to assess this value, object dot x, Okay, if I am going to execute, you can see I am getting 5. So this is what happened. So while creating, after creation of object, it will just initialize those things. So whatever thing you want to initialize during or after creation of object, that thing you need to put it inside the init function. So this way you can initialize your object. Suppose you want your class to take one variable, right? Suppose you want to take a class one variable like name, okay, and you assign it here, right, name. Then you need to pass those name here. Suppose I am passing the name is my name is Saroj, okay, I am writing here, and if I am going to execute here, you can see this name Saroj is assigned to. So this, while initialization, it will ask one value name, right? If you not give any value, then it will just throw one error. So better I am providing a name argument here. This will take while during initialization, and it will also initialize your class variable x. And if I am going to print this thing, you can see I am getting Saroj, right? And if suppose I am not providing anything here and I am trying to execute it, it is throwing error. What is showing? Missing one required positional argument name, because it asks to assign a or provide a positional argument name, right? So this is all about your initialization. Similarly, there is another thing, that is your delete, okay. And if init is called as instructor, then delete is something like a destructor, right? So if I suppose I am going to define here some destructor, okay, delete, right? Then I am suppose this destructor sometime it is called, then I want to print a statement here. Okay, object is deleted, okay, this will print this statement, right? So now this object x is created. Now I want to call this, or I want to call this delete method, delete obj, right? If I am going to call this function, so this will delete my object. But how it will done this thing? By simply doing this way, by simply invoking this line, right? So delete is kind of default, it will just override the default delete method which is present in type class, right? And it will just I am just reconstructing this thing by this adding a statement print object is deleted. And if I am going to delete the object, it will just call this function and trying to execute the print statement. You can see object is deleted. Or similarly, before that you need to call the super method so that the object at least need to be deleted, because here if you want to print the same thing here, print object, I think the object is there. Oh no, so it is deleted, right? Okay. So object is deleted, and also it's adding a one print statement, object is deleted, right? So this is okay. So this is all about three main magic or dunder method. One is new, another one is init, third one is delete. In new is used when you are going to instantiate a object, right? And the init is used when you are going to initialize your object, or it is a kind of constructor. And delete is used when you are going to destroy your object, or it is a kind of destructor. Okay, so this is all about today's session. In the next video we are going to learn more such magic and dunder method. Okay, till then guys, just subscribe my channel and subscribe this playlist, okay, and enjoy your day. Thank you.